Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you around a couple things. Number one, part of dealing with having a scooter and a motorcycle is you have mechanical problems from time to time. We're dealing with one right now. We've got a slow leak in the tire. So we actually found the nail in the tire. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to take you along on a trip to show you kind of how to deal with some of that stuff. There's a shop called the Vulcanizer. So I'm going to show you that. And then I'm going to show you a new favorite lunch spot that we have. And we'll enjoy some Philippines cuisine. So be right back. We're down here at the bike. By the way, really like this fan link pump. I got a link in the video description, Amazon link to this. This thing is rockstar. It's got a built-in tire pressure gauge, makes it super simple, and the battery life lasts forever. It's like freaking an hour. What's up, buddy? So, yeah, cute kids are playing around. Anyways, let's go ahead and fill it up and check it. How's it going? What's your name?
Mark Francis.
Huh?
Mark Francis.
Oh, Mark Francis? Oh, nice to meet you. All right, guys. So Mira Rose is filling up the tire. Take a look. Teaching her like a good Filipina how to check that. What's up? How's it going? Got some kids helping. How are you guys doing?
It's 2-4.
Oh, wow. Yeah, check this out, guys. So here's the pressure on that. If you can see that. 24. So, yeah, let's fill it up. What is the pressure supposed to be?
33.
33, yeah. So we're down almost 10 pounds of pressure. So pretty low. Yeah, we're filling it up. What's your guys' name? What was your name?
What's your name?
Andre?
What's your name?
Hey. Yeah, that's cute.
What's your name?
Life in the Philippines.
What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris.
Yes. Yes, Chris. So yeah, so what you do is you just thread it on, and then you turn it on. And then it automatically fills up. What's that? It's got just a low tire. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna fill up this tire real quick, and then we're gonna go to the Vulcanizer. So we'll be right back. We're at a Vulcanizer shop. You can see around. It's pretty obvious it's a tire shop. But when you're out riding around, guys, you'll see these shops all around. And usually what they have, although I don't see one here, they just usually have like a tire sticking around along the side, and they often have like Vulcanizer kind of written all over the side. But it's just a tire shop here. And what they got, as you can see down here, is gonna put some tire sealant in, which should hopefully fill it up. We just got a slow leak. These are tubeless tires. I've actually got a patch kit on the way, so we'll take a look. But yeah, we're down to 24 pounds of PSI when it's supposed to be 33, so pretty much a dead tire, flat tire. We did find the nail. We were able to pull it out, small kind of nail, or it actually fell out. And so we'll take a look. Maybe this solves the problem temporarily anyways. So we're gonna be here for a little bit. He's gonna throw the tire sealant in there. And then what we're gonna do then, we're gonna cruise around down to Villaba, which is about a half an hour ride, beautiful coastal road. We'll take you up that and take you to one of the really nice restaurants we like to go to. So be right back. All right, guys. Been a while since I've been on the road, at least video-wise, man. I felt like I haven't shot a riding video in forever. We're on the scooter, we're on the Honda ADV 160. We just got back from the Vulcanizer. And we got some sealant running around there now. So we'll keep an eye on that over the next couple days. Really a big fan of that fan link. What we did is after we went to the Vulcanizer, I mean, they shot the tire pressure up to like whatever, 40 something PSI, which I mean, isn't too bad, but I believe the recommended tire pressure is 33. So we dropped it back down to 33, and then we'll just keep an eye on it every day for a while. But big fan of that Vantec tire pump, man. That thing's rock star, and I carry it with me now when I'm traveling around. It's just so incredibly handy, and the battery charge on there lasts forever. I think I've charged it. I've had it a couple years now, and I think I've charged it less than 4 or 5 times. Just the charge lasts forever. So it's a good device. Got a little flashlight on there too. Link in the video description for that thing if you want it. It is an affiliate link through Amazon. So yeah, check it out if you're interested. But yeah, on our way now to Villaba, and one of our favorite restaurants that somebody turned us on to recently. Go ahead, brother. And so yeah, I'm just really excited about that. Nice little scenic road down through here. I've been on it a couple times, and yeah, really scenic. A couple of spots where it opens up to where you can see the water pretty good. So I'm a fan of that. Let's see if we can get around this car here. We're riding in the middle of the road, but yeah, man, should be a good ride here. There might be some checkpoints as we, it's around election time. In election time, you can get some, you know, random checkpoint stuff as they try to keep things at peace. It can be a little bit of a chaotic time, although honestly, I've never, that's all hearsay for me. I've never really experienced anything chaotic in the entire time that I've been here, so. Yeah, so guys, it opens up right through here. Really beautiful, almost to Villaba now. Really cool coastal road here. I dig it. You know, like I said, it's probably not my favorite coastal road, but it's got some really cool spots in it that open up nice to the road. Oh, the bike behind me here. But yeah, really digging this ADV 162. I do like it around town and stuff. Really great bike. Just kind of kick around this part of the island. You know, I'm not going far. Quick trips, day trips, you know, perfect for that. You could definitely do more with a bike. You know, we got the big top box on the back. You got, you know, a bunch of room underneath the bike, 20-something liters, I think. I'll pull up this stat, how much liters are underneath. So you could do a lot more with it. My only complaint, there are a couple things really when you compare to big motorcycles. You get a little bit smaller front tire, right? And tires in general, so you don't have the kind of stability that you would have on a big bike. You know, if like a dog or something would come out in front of you. But other than that, man, I really like this bike. In some ways, I prefer it than a motorcycle. It's super light and flickable, obviously. It's a scooter, but just really fun to ride around town. The brakes on it are really sharp, really good front and rear brakes on here. So I dig it, man, I really do. I enjoy this bike around town. I'm definitely glad that I have both, and enjoy riding around town. We'll do grocery shopping and all that stuff. We'll do another video on that, just kind of show you kind of our weekend routine when we're out about going, getting our groceries and stuff, and show you the markets, and kind of another day in the life video in the provinces, because it is unique, man. It is different, definitely from anything in the West, as well as in the Philippines. You know, life out here is different from the big cities. So, all right, guys, we're gonna keep riding. We're coming up on a little town right here, but we still got a little more to go to the restaurant. So I'll go ahead and cut the video off. Well, here's usually a checkpoint, but yeah, I guess they're not there today. But anyway, yeah, no, they are here today. All right, we'll just kind of, I think we're good. I don't think we need to stop. Yep. All right, man. All right, guys, well, like I said, I'll cut off the video right here, and then we will pick it back up at the restaurant, because I want to show you this guy's place. We've ate there once before, and it's super delicious, so we'll be right back. I'll put out a map. We're here at the restaurant here. I'll put out a map link, but check it out. Right attached here, they actually have a car wash here. So 80 pesos, but 100 pesos for their premium wash. So I'm gonna get the bike washed up while we eat some lunch here. So I'll be right back. I'll show you the menu of this place as well as the food. Super delicious. All right, guys, looks really good. What did you order there, babe?
Beef shawarma.
Beef shawarma? Yeah, I can't pronounce it. But yeah, it looks like a little vegetable. Looked like some kind of beef wrap with a bunch of veggies in there.
Beef wrap.
Yeah, that looks good. And I got beef tapa. Now, beef tapa, guys, is a really popular dish here in the Philippines. You see it a lot. You got your beef, rice, egg, and some veggies in there. So, all right, guys, we're gonna throw this down real quick. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're done with our meal. Man, that was so delicious, so good. And it's so convenient. They got the freaking car wash there right next to it. It's only 80 pesos for the wash, 710 pesos for the food. I'll convert everything out. Super cheap. Could have went a little bit cheaper on the food if we didn't get milkshakes, and honestly, they're out of mango. We got strawberry. Wasn't quite as good as the mango, but anyways, 710 isn't bad for two people with two drinks. Pretty inexpensive, right? Life in the Philippines. And the car wash too, right? 80 pesos for a wash and wax. Bike looks great. Bike's all clean, although looks like we might be heading into some rain. So be it, right? Anyways, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. We're riding home. Really want to appreciate everyone watching and hanging out in the channel. Really thank you too to the Patreon supporters out there. You guys are great. Thank you so much, everyone. Empin, ayo, and feed the good wolf. Yeah! Woo! Okay, date. Oui.